So the folding phone market continues to expand, and it's clear more people continue to get interested in these type of phones. At the moment, Samsung is the clear leader, but in time we're going to see foldables from companies like Apple, Motorola, and others. Now, I mentioned in a previous video that folding devices now account for 1.2% of all phones, but that's expected to triple in the next year. So I actually wanted to go over 5 advantages to using a foldable, and the first is display. Now, for those that want to experience displays that can put their tablets to shame, the folding phone packs quite a punch. Now, with a folding phone, you're essentially able to carry a tablet that wouldn't fit in your palms, but can now easily be folded and kept inside your pocket, which brings me up to the next. Second is going to be portability. Now, while folding phones are large when completely open, when folded, they're extremely easy to carry around and throw in your pocket. This is something I personally overlooked at first, but it's honestly a big deal when you get that extra pocket space. Okay, third, you've got the cool factor. Now, outside of any rational arguments, let's just agree that foldable phones are cool. I mean, foldable screen tech has been under development for the better part of a decade, and the fact that we can now build a full consumer device around it's truly a triumph of technology, and it's just awesome. You're also going to turn heads carrying a foldable phone around. People are going to be like, oh, dang, what phone you got? Okay, next is going to be phone photography and video recording, and it really gets taken to a whole new level on a foldable. Now, using a foldable can give you different shots on your phone that normally would need to be taken with a tripod. Folding and flip phones give you some creative angles you just wouldn't expect. Also, taking selfies on a foldable or flip is a lot easier. Just thought I'd throw that out. Okay, lastly, you've got the entertainment factor, and it really doesn't get much better for watching videos or playing games, which is exactly what I'm going to get into next. Of course, if you guys want to chime in, feel free to comment below. And we'll also have some great resources you can check out in the description for some of the best foldables in the market right now. For now, let's run it.